System is not working. Okay. Do you have your system with you at this time? Hello, Arjun. Do you have your system with you right now? Yes. Okay. So, like I mentioned earlier, now what we're going to do is I'm going to tell you, I'm going to show you a room on Try Hack Me, and you have to attempt it on your own. So I'll give you the link for it. It's actually called Chocolate Factory, so you can look that up on your own. Otherwise, I'll give you a link for the room, and you try solving it on your own. On Monday, what's the issue today? Why Monday? Why not today? Is what I'm asking. Is the machine you told us earlier because Kali is not working now? What is the issue? Okay. Okay, so do it on Monday, but okay, so then today let's just talk about reporting and wrap that up. Okay, so I'm going to show you a sample report for penetration test. Now again, you will not be able to access any actual penetration test report because all that information is confidential and sensitive. So of course I cannot show you any actual report, and no one is going to show you an actual report actually because all that data is confidential. Whatever the findings of penetration tests are, they are bound to remain between you and the client only. Okay, so no one else should have access to it. But there are a few sample reports that you can find, and they are good enough to give you an idea of what kind of stuff you need to include in a report. Okay, so this is a penetration test report. It's a sample. I'll give you the link. You can just download it yourself and go through it whenever you need to. So it starts with a table of contents, so an index of sorts. Then an executive summary basically is just it says that okay, this so and so organization was contacted by this company to perform a penetration test and so and so, and so you write a few lines here saying that okay, this was the goal of the test to figure out what kind of impact would happen if an attacker were to target the company's systems. So now after this executive summary, you have your summary of results. Okay, what now this is not the only place you'll write what you found. This is just a small summary of the results that okay, you first you performed some reconnaissance, you found something there, then you further use that information to exploit something and what that led you to. So it's a small summary that you will write. And after that, you'll get into the attack narrative. So now this is a detailed description of the steps that you took and you know what kind of vulnerabilities you found, what kind of actions you took there. So in this case, now it starts with remote system discovery and what you found, what information you gathered, and at every step you'll also be including some screenshots which act as proof of what you did. And also it makes it easier for whoever is reading the report to understand what you're trying to say. Merely writing is not enough. You need to include visual proof. So that makes your report better and easier to understand, easier to read. So whoever is going through it gets a better idea of what you're trying to say. So every vulnerability that you found, all the proper description you'll have to write. You'll be including images, screenshots, like I said. That is important to make your report that much easier to understand. Okay, so every single vulnerability, every single issue that was found here has been described in this report. So that is what forms the bulk of this report. And after this is a conclusion, which is mainly focused on what the impact of the penetration test was. That if again you repeat a couple of lines like what were the goals and were these goals met, were you able to find out what kind of impact a targeted attack would have. So all of these things are mentioned in this conclusion. Then the recommendations on how to fix whatever issues are found, right? The risk rating. So just what kind of risk rating you would assign. And then there's the appendix in accordance with whatever framework you will follow. Of course, your company will tell you what framework to follow. You'll look up whatever vulnerabilities you found in that framework and write this vulnerability detail. So some details about every vulnerability, the rating, description, impact, and remediation. So all this is present in that framework, whatever framework is being used. So that has been added here as an appendix, and after that, at the end, just as an appendix, we have another appendix B. They have talked about the organization themselves, the company who was conducting the test were the penetration testers themselves. So they've written about themselves. Okay, so that is basically what your report involves. Your main goal should be to convey effectively your findings and your results from your penetration test. Now, in the chat, I've also given you a link to this PDF. So you can go ahead and download it from there. And you can refer to it whenever you want to look at it. You can do that. Any questions? No. All right. Good. So, okay. So on Monday we'll do that. You will solve that machine here in class. Okay. And, okay. All right. So I'll see you on Monday. Okay.